The root of your chronic sinus problems may be lurking in your shower. We'll show you what you could be inhaling next in our special report.
Much larger.
Soon after identical twins Diana and Dawn Meyer moved into the same apartment building, they developed breathing problems.
She had been complaining of a lot of sinus problems when she had moved to the apartment. She'd been there about a year before I did. And so I started getting, like, my nose was running.
Their symptoms got worse, and the antibiotics doctors prescribed didn't help. Then the sisters found out they were sensitive to household mold. When airborne, microscopic mold spores can wreak havoc in sensitive people. Researchers in one study found fungus in over 90% of chronic sinusitis patients.
They end up inhaling it into their sinus cavities, and then it just breeds.
Sinus expert Jordan Josephson says most sinus infections are bacterial and fungal. Antibiotics treat only bacterial infections, so patients may also need antifungal drugs.
Each person really needs to be evaluated by their ear, nose, and throat physician or their sinus specialist so that they can figure out which is the proper combination of agents to use.
While doctors treat your sinuses, you need to attack your mold problem. You can start by washing off the fungus with bleach and water.
If a person's home has uncontrolled moisture, water leaks, etc., that needs to be fixed.
Dr. Philip Harbour specializes in occupational medicine and is a mold expert.
Where there's very extensive growth, it's sometimes useful to look for advice at the EPA website or to call a professional.
You can hire a trained dog to sniff out hidden mold for about $500. The cleanup and repairs are left to you. Or look in the phone book for a mold remediator who'll do the entire job for you. It can cost a pretty penny, and your homeowner's insurance may not pay up. But as Diana and Dawn found out, it's your health that could be at stake.
I really didn't think I would ever become disabled from something I couldn't see that was in my apartment.
This has been Sherry reporting.